Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing elevanalondon.com. But before we get into the review, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right here, we have it open up here on the website. So if you don't know what this website is, it is basically another one of those scam websites that sells women's apparel or men's apparel for cheaper. So as you can see, it looks very good on picture and on the photos. But as you can see, if you actually look at the photo here, it's very low quality, since if they actually own the product, why would it be low quality on their website? So as you can see, if you're wondering if this is this product or this website is legit, we have it here opened up on Trustpilot and see that they're rated bad with 1.4 out of 5 stars with 36 reviews. So as you can see, most of them are 1 star. So same experience with everyone else. Here, unfortunately, bought 2 pairs Ralph Lauren polo shorts for 25 pounds, and when they eventually arrived, they were quite awful. The quality was awful. So fake clothing, avoid. Counterfeit goods, an absolute joke of a company. Scammers selling fake products. I feel was scammed. Think I let my guard down. This cannot even remember when I ordered it. Avoid the seller at all costs. Horrendous product company. And you basically get the gist of it. So most of them, or maybe all of them, are 1 star. So please avoid buying from this website, since they are very clearly and obviously a scam. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.